The metal weight shapes. Interactive calculator quickly determines the weight of various metal shapes based on their dimensions and material properties. Starting with the shape dropdown, you can select from rectangular bar, round bar, pipe, square tube, sheet plate, or angle L section. I'll use rectangular bar for this demonstration. The material dropdown offers 10 common metals including mild steel, stainless steel 304, aluminum 6061, and copper, each showing their density in kilograms per cubic meter, plus a custom density option. I'm selecting mild steel at 7850 kilograms per cubic meter. Now for the input fields, enter your width in millimeters, height in millimeters, and length in millimeters. For this example, I'll input 10 millimeters for each dimension. After clicking Calculate Weight, here are the results. Volume equals 0.00001 cubic meters. Weight in kilograms shows 0.08. Weight in pounds displays 0.017. Density used confirms 7,850 kilograms per cubic meter, and cross-sectional area reads 1.0 square centimeters. These outputs give you everything needed for material planning and structural calculations. This calculator streamlines metal weight calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.